Well, here I am in the shed, and a while ago someone asked about that delightful piece of equipment. Now, it hasn't been running since just after I got married. Started work on it and got sidetracked. Sounds so familiar. 19 years later, still not running. So today, it was running last time it ran. So today, I've got some spare time. Today's the 1st of Feb. See how long this takes with interruptions. We'll see if we can get it going. This could be interesting. It's missing the, what do you call that flap thing that goes on the side of the blower there, the emergency cut-off flap? That's missing. So I better check those injectors, make sure nothing's stuck. This could be very embarrassing otherwise. Foot out of bed here maybe, or out of bed there. Now this truck is a 1942 Federal. I must have bought it, I don't know, early 90s sometime. Had a love affair with it. Old tank transporter, came from Catherine in the NT. I bought it out of Alice Springs, some bloke owed some bloke some money, blah, 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 I don't know. Got lost in the details, no interweb around back then to find out much. Bought it, still had the original Cummins in it. I pulled the Crummins out, put the 671 leaker in there. 10.22 diffs. It's got a 55,000 pound arse end, Timken, double reduction. I put a Joey box in it, 4-speed Joey box and backwards. So we should have to do it 55 mile an hour, 60 mile an hour, full noise. It does run. I have had it running, I have driven it. As we can see, the interior is work in progress. It's got everything, it's 100% complete. I've got all the what do you call that stuff? Windscreens, got the doors, got the runners, got the door trims, all the bonnet and everything's here. Now we've had an inch of rain today, so I can't do anything down the paddock. Oh, well, I've been thinking about doing this for some time, but like all big plans, when the Minister for War and Finance finds out I'm playing instead of working, punishment shall be swift. So, the plan is, while no one's around, we'll pop the rocker cover, have a look and see how many injectors are hopefully not stuck, and see how we go. So old Dolores, as she's known, we'll see how we go. This could all end in tears and embarrassment, and a fair chance it will. Also, over the years, there's been vigorous encouragement from the Princess to get rid of my darling. Well, I have resisted. God only knows what she's going to say when she hears the rumble. Now check out this mess, eh? I can't remember, so long ago. Pretty sure that's off a Toyota Dyna. And I converted that from Star to Delta. Or was it Delta? I can't remember. It's 24 volts, because it's for road train. I've got all those long trailers, a lot less voltage drop. Down there. Now this here is the vacuum pump. What's that for? Over we go. Down in here, oh, you can't even really see, but down in there, it's got a hydraulic clutch. I think it's a D series Ford or a C series Inter. There's a master cylinder, but I still found it too heavy because this was left-hand drive. I still found the clutch too heavy, so I put a power booster on. It's only ever got plumb to shift it around. It's got steering box, it's up at 14-18 bends, give me power steering, because it was left-hand drive, and now it's right-hand drive, done by me, so that doesn't really mean a lot. Who thought my memory would fail? So you can see by this mess that There's so much we tried to do, but I was a victim of love. You dickhead, Paul. And also, with this high quality installations that I do, because I'm a farmer, so everything's pretty rag. I've got an oil supply. I don't know what's up the blower drive there, is it? Looking like it. It comes off the blower drive. Oil supply. Return. Get this back a bit further. Return. Goes up into the rocker cover. I don't even know if that's supposed to be done like that, but it's the way old Roughnut's done it. It's been that long since I've worked on this. I had a look yesterday. I've been planning this for a few days now. I had a look yesterday, or the day before, I can't remember, a couple of days ago anyway, when no one was around. I thought, I wonder if it's still got oil in it. It took me half an hour to find a dipstick. Fuck. How embarrassing is that? What a dick. But I found it. And check this shit out. I found the dipstick. It's down in here. Who's your daddy? And it's still got stuff on it. Big bucket. There's actually no marks on this dipstick. Found the dipstick, and it has oil. And oil is still reasonably clean for a leaker. That's just amazing. Now I've just pulled the rocker cover. Check this out. It's not even rusty. How good's that? Spent 7 years in the tropics. And spent 8 years in the tropics now. 8, 16, 2007 it came here, yeah. Most of them in the shed. 10 years at Sunny Kerrang, couple of years at Ragglefart. Oh, and it's not even rusty. Man alive. Been dicking around for a few minutes, as you can see. Now, I pulled it off. That doesn't sound very good, does it? I wonder if I can wear glasses, I suppose. Anyway, it's all nice and free now. The one that actually looked the freest before I pulled it off was number 6 here, and it was stuck like you would not believe. So she's freeing, doing its thing, slopping them in and out. Let's stick this rocker cover back on and see if we've got some fuel, I suppose. I checked the tank yesterday, or whenever it was when I checked that oil, that took me half an hour to find a dipstick, and it's got plenty of motion lotion, so with any luck, we should be right. I've got to put some water in the radiator. Fuck, eh? Piece of shit jam, eh? Bite my tongue. You're a dick, Paul. Bugger me. You're a Fruit Loop, Paul. Do you reckon it'll be another 19 years? Probably more. God, flippin' mighty. I have to think about this Seas motor. Give us a few weeks, years, months, decades. Well, we know the motor sees. We know the motor sees. What's her name? Got to work out how to unsees it. Yes, this happens if it's been sitting for a long time. Hopefully not too bad, because it's hopefully not full of flipping water. It shouldn't be, it's been inside all its life. Well, most of those 19 years, but never rained at Kerrang, so it didn't matter. So we just see how we go. Don't know. Wonder how long it's going to take me. Try to wear it out and get a jack into the crankshaft or something there on a flywheel. Can't remember, I haven't even had a look underneath. I don't think there's an opening to adjust the crutch. That must be about 3/4 high tensile bolts, so it'll handle 10-foot pipe okay. In front of the crank there. Wonder if I would. Oh, probably Anyway, the secret mission continues. Let's see what shit I can cause with this piece of glass. Don't want to pull the head off unless I have to. Because once I start that, can't hide what I'm doing. Shouldn't have to hide, but I'll get disciplined for doing the wrong thing. Anyway, hope it's not too boring watching my sheer stupidity. Hooroo!